Varish is a boy who lives in Delhi and go to his home every day, and after the completion of job and completion of his work, and he go to job daily, and he has a lot of work to do, and even often he has a lot of anxiety in mind, and even he think why I can't go to death, and after he is very depressed, and depression takes him a lot of in another world. And about we are talking now Varish, one day his friend invited him to party, and there is something which changes Varish mood. And what is that? Do you know about that? His mood changes, and he was full of excitement, and now he's saying I will go to job, it's my work. And before sometime you see he's saying no, I have not to go, and he's very depressed. So what changes? That's the music, all music even often changes our mind, stress or anxiety or depression or anything. Now I'm talking about the depression. My name is Harshit, and I would like to talk about that. Now, influence. I would like to write the topic. Keep speaking while writing. Influences of music. Take another one. On mental health. I'm writing it again. Now I would like to talk about that. What is that? That is music. Now you would listen about carefully it. Don't you know about what do you know about music too? Don't you know music is a anything substance? Anything what? What do you know about music? Music. I'm talking about the influences of music. Music on which? On mental health, of course. On mental health. I'm talking about it, and it is a curious debate topic. Seriously, if you take it and if you read about it, it has a lot of information, and I'm uh, informating you about a small bit. Now, the influence of music on mental health. There is a what is music? What do you know about music? I will tell you the definition. You are thinking that music is anything which changes our mood, and but it is not correct definition. I will tell you. Music is that has a tones combination of tones, specifically with rhythm or usually harmony, and this is the music definition in short. And after it, if you are talking about the mental health, in mental health is a serious case in which music has a positive impact a lot of. If I show you a graph, there is a graph 4 5 6. This is the rate of change. Rate of change. These are the indices. Indices is the plural form of index. Don't worry about it. It's index. It's about the index of mental health. Mental health. First, I am showing the general students whose sign I will show like that. And these are the normal students or music students, which are in blank. I will show you chart about it, like that. Uh, General students. If if I talk about the body function, how body function in the mental health, body function, like this is a chart where the general students are higher than the music students. But if you see, there is a lot of change in the positive impact. Positive impact. About positive impact, music has a lot of positive impact, and it has changed a lot of individual. You can't think it more and more. It has changed. Yes, it's real. And about I'm talking the negativity. Negativity have you seen everywhere? The negative person are there. Negative thoughts are there. Everything is negative now in my mind. Also, I'm thinking also negative that it will be going not seriously good what I'm talking about. But general students, about general students, they are higher than the music students. If you will see a chart and this graph or statistics showing the data, you can see there is difference in the positive impact, negative impact, and the body function. And what do you know? Like music is so loud. Why don't you think that? Why music is so loud? Music is loud because of that. The feeling of excitement, the feeling of it elevates the mood. It changes our mood. It changes our emotions time to time. If I am happy one time, like the many songs are there, Dukh Bhare Din, many songs are there. Don't you know? Even the new upcoming songs are coming, and now in the generation, all the songs are coming, which are most liked by the students, and this has a positive impact on like the Taylor Swift. What do you know about it? It's going in high, and students and individuals or the persons are listening more and more about it. Like you can see, and the growing of the music and mental health change the lot of effect on that. If about talking on the music influence, like first point I want to say what I have speak or spoken, I will tell or write on this board. It's elevates the mood, elevates the mood. Second, it's what do, it changes the emotion, change the emotion. It's it's what can do. Depression, what the depression is? Depression, it can do, it can means down the feeling of depression, down the feeling of depression, depression, which is a greater symptom. Do you know about it and about the saying? And I am drawing here a music here. This is very good. You know, you can see it. About I'm talking the, yes, I know about the point. Depression. About depression, there is a very hormone which name is oxytocin, which helps in reduces the depression. And you can note it about, you can learn new things about that. And I forgot about the one especially hormone which is responsible for all the changes, which is the dopamine. Dopamine. If you are thinking what you are, don't know about it, so I will tell you. It's a chemically hormone which changes our mood or time. It's make us chill. First point, which is can be written here, chill. Or second point, which can be here written, feeling of excitement or sensation of excitement. feeling of excitement. Yes, here from the that following things you can see and observe what are the changes that can be seen by the music. Now the music is coming and new musics are coming and old days musics are loved by the most of the person. But then now the music has changed all the generation and about listening them there can be a positive effect. If I listen the I also feel that there is a sad or bad not bad. I'm talking about it the there is the sad feeling when the listening the Bollywood 90s song because there is a beat, tones. The music I have said that tones of combination of tones. Yes, and if they are you are listening them, there can be a sad feeling and happily feeling like the most of the songs are there. Now the what should I tell? You know all the songs. You can check it on Google and YouTube and everywhere on the Spotify. And now I'm talking about the particular thing which is music therapy. Do you know who is the father of music therapy? First, you have to know what is music therapy. Music therapy, what is? I know what is music therapy, and you will also know about. I am telling music therapy is a one that changes any one mood by the time. Like the father of music therapy was or is Thayer Gaston. Thayer Gaston. Yes, Thayer Gaston, who is popularly or widely known as the father of the music therapy. And music therapy is what like when your mood changes and your changes emotion and you are escalated at a one time and you are gone and you are coming with the excitement at that time. That is the music therapy. And the father of Thayer Gaston reminds of the person and uh, introduce the music therapy so one person cannot feel depressed or anxiety. And my in my conclusion, now in my conclusion, what will I say? The anxiety, depression symptoms are more common, and nowadays more are the symptoms are there, not all the about particular anxiety or depression. I am talking about the psychological effects, which psychological changes or effects which are on the health or our mental health. Due to that, our health is changing or our brain which have a lot of things. I have observed from the past few years there has been a effect of music a lot of and that on me. I can observe myself from the lockdown time and what I observed that music is a great influencer and it has influenced me by the time. Thank you. Have a great day.